Ladies and gentlemen, are you interested in making money by simply typing on your computer? Well, let's explore 7 online typing jobs that require little to no skill and that you can start today. I'll keep it brief for each website, aiming to discuss them in 1 minute or less each so you can start earning money quicker. Let's do this. For our first platform, we have Mod Squad at modsquad.com. At Mod Squad, you'll be engaging in content moderation. This involves ensuring that the content posted online is suitable for all audiences. Your responsibilities may include flagging inappropriate or offensive comments, verifying the accuracy of posted content, and preventing spam. Tasks could range from managing forum posts to reviewing chat logs on platforms like Discord. Mod Squad also offers services like customer support. To apply, you can visit the specific page through the link provided in the description, navigate to the middle of the page, and find the Apply Today button. According to Indeed, the average hourly pay ranges from $11.08 to $20.24 as a customer support representative. For our next online typing job that you can pursue from home, we have Axion Data at axiondata.com. I'll provide a brief overview. With Axion Data, your primary task will be data entry, which involves using your keyboard to input various types of data. This can encompass a range of tasks that require keyboard input. Axion Data offers data entry services to other companies. To sign up, don't visit their main page. Instead, click the link in the description to access the employment section. Here, you'll find details about the work you'll be doing. As an independent contractor, you'll enjoy flexibility in your work as you're self-employed but receive compensation from the company. Payments are made on a flat rate per document or entry basis, meaning the more efficiently you work, the higher your earnings with this platform. Next up, we have a fantastic online opportunity that has the potential to earn you thousands of dollars a month. Let me introduce you to Wing Assistant at wingassistant.com. This website offers a unique online side hustle where you can work as a virtual assistant for various individuals or businesses. Similar to Axion Data, Wing Assistant acts as the intermediary connecting you with businesses seeking virtual assistance. While you'll certainly be involved in typing tasks such as content creation and email responses, the role extends to other responsibilities like answering phone calls and making travel arrangements. Notably, the skills required go beyond basic typing, making it a valuable opportunity. On their main page, you can see the charges Wing Assistant imposes on businesses for having assistants, ranging from $499 to $1,699 per month, depending on the level of assistance. Your potential earnings will likely fall between these figures based on whether you work part-time or full-time and the number of clients you manage. To apply, use the link provided in the description, as the main page is not the sign-up portal. Wing Assistant welcomes applicants from various locations and backgrounds, including the Philippines, India, Mexico, and the United States. This is a great chance to make a substantial income by assisting others with their daily tasks and typing needs. Now, let's explore TextRoyal at textroyal.com, a platform where you can earn money through freelance writing using your keyboard. At TextRoyal, you'll engage in general freelance writing, taking on various writing assignments such as crafting articles for websites, creating social media posts, and even contributing to academic papers and essays. Although the TextRoyal website can be a bit confusing to navigate for the application process, you can find the direct link in the description. It's important to note that payment is based on the number of words you write for each project, with the potential to earn up to 3 cents per word. However, starting rates begin at 1 cent per word, and you'll need to demonstrate consistent quality work over several projects to qualify for higher-paying assignments. This underscores the importance of maintaining a good track record to progress to more lucrative opportunities. Next up, we have LifePoints, which comes in the form of a mobile app available for both Android and iPhones. This app operates similarly to some of the websites mentioned earlier, particularly in the focus group category. What sets it apart is its convenience, allowing you to engage in activities on the go, eliminating the need for a computer login. You can find the app on the Google Play Store, boasting 1 million downloads and an impressive 4.4 star rating. However, to download the app, use the link in the description. This link will take you to the sign-up form, providing the necessary information to guide you to the correct app download. LifePoints offers various cash-out options, including PayPal and Amazon gift cards, as showcased on their website. Trustpilot reviews also speak positively about this company. Consider exploring LifePoints if it piques your interest. Our next set of websites falls under the same category, providing you with the opportunity to earn money through focus groups. Researchers globally seek input from everyday individuals, like yourself, on various studies related to products, services, or scientific matters. The unique aspect of these interviews is that they are conducted online, eliminating the need for in-person meetings. Participants can digitally type their responses to the researchers' questions. The first website is Rakuten Insights, where you can sign up by clicking any of the provided buttons. Pinecone Research features a straightforward sign-up process, requiring your name and email address to join focus groups and review products. The TryProducts website follows suit, necessitating only your name and email address to participate in focus groups and product reviews. Find all the necessary links in the description. Our next opportunity for an online side hustle is MyPoints. Similar to LifePoints, this platform allows you to earn money by answering questionnaires and accumulating points. What sets MyPoints apart is its impressive $10 welcome bonus upon signing up and confirming your account, one of the most substantial sign-up bonuses among such websites. You can cash out your accumulated points in the end. Although they offer a mobile app, it may not be the best, so using their website is recommended. Sign up for MyPoints using the provided links in the description and take advantage of the enticing $10 welcome bonus and get gift cards to popular merchants like Walmart, Target, Starbucks, Amazon.com, and thousands more. And with that is 7 easy typing jobs that can make you $29 per hour. With 1 month left till the new year, let's end it with a bang and crush our goals. It is still or never too late to get started. The best time to start was yesterday, and the next best time to start is now. I will catch you guys real soon. Take care and let's do this.